This is the third video about the Final Cut Pro 10.6.2 update. This time it's a review of the new voice isolation feature. And to me, this is the most mind-blowing feature of the 10.6.2 update. And look out for the example at the end of the video where the traffic noise makes the clip completely unusable. It'll absolutely blow your mind as to what it can do. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like and subscribe and press the bell so that I can make more videos like this for you. In January this year, I published a video about fixing and enhancing audio, and part of that video was to remove background noise. And I've got to say that what I said then is now completely outdated with this new voice isolation feature in Final Cut Pro. You're going to be absolutely amazed about what this feature can do. I couldn't believe it the first time I saw it. When I record my YouTube videos, it's in a room close to the main part of the house, and the sounds filter through from the other rooms. For the last 2 years that I've been recording these videos, I've exported just the audio and extracted the noise with a separate free application called Audacity, and then added that back to the Final Cut Pro edit. While this is not a particularly lengthy process, it's just another thing that needs doing for each tutorial. To see a video on the Audacity process, click the eye above. The new voice isolation feature in 10.6.2 lets me completely cut out that process. Look here at a recent tutorial on dupe detection, and that was published before the voice isolation feature was available. And here's a section where the room audio is heard for an amount of time. Duplication. And now with the voice isolation added. Like this for you. Isn't that impressive? I've also got some footage of an interview with significant traffic noise that's completely unusable. Let's see how the voice isolation handles that. This is the original clip with no modification. I'll play it.
He truly works to produce the best possible outcome for you. I've got to admit, he does his homework. He makes sure he provides me with regular updates.
I'll now add the voice isolation at the default 50%.
He truly works to produce the best possible outcome for you. I've got to admit, he does his homework. He makes sure he provides me with regular updates.
That's much better. And now at 100%.
He truly works to produce the best possible outcome for you. I've got to admit, he does his homework. He makes sure he provides me with regular updates.
The traffic noise is completely gone, and the voice is very close to normal. That's absolutely amazing. All in all, the update to 10.6.2 really offers real value. And the most amazing part is the voice isolation. But remember this one thing about Final Cut Pro. Just because it can do a lot, you still need to know how to use it. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and press the bell. And go to my website so that I can help you with your problems with Final Cut Pro.